Okay. We just had to get the trains on film. We got 6 of them going. Total of 7 available. We're working on 1 engine. Do you see all 6? I don't see the one up top. Oh, it fell off. Let's go fix it. And we'll follow this one. And this is the first time we've been having these ones go back the other way. There's a lit caboose right there. Okay, let's try this. Go ahead. You can do it. That's the 7th track that we did. This one here. Been finished recently. Whew. Yep, that's up in the air. See that? Yeah, that's a big straightaway. Ooh, yeah. Working fine. Uh-oh, it fell off again. Going too fast. And that we get to that track from here, going down here through the switch. See the multi-switch. Yep. We can get to several of the tracks from the first 3 tracks that were built. And we're working on the landscaping and scenery as well. That's going to be a tunnel later. Over there. Oh, let's go save our locomotive. Bye-bye.